Okay, so this exercise then we're going to go into the Romanian deadlift and bicep curl. With regards to this one now, the weight's going to be quite light, okay, yeah, because you're not going to be able to bicep curl it up. So what we're going to look to do is have a light Romanian deadlift, okay, followed by the actual bicep curl itself. With regards to this one then, all we're going to really do is just mobilise the posterior chain. So this is good for practicing the Romanian deadlift itself, warming up the back, the hamstrings and the glutes, and then obviously using then the bicep curl as well at the same time. So the grip that we're going to take is we're going to go underhand grip, okay, in that position there, okay, hands around about shoulder width apart, okay, feet around about shoulder width as well, bending the knees slightly, so we're in that deadlift position, and then from there, keeping the back nice and straight, we're going to come down, bar down the front of the legs, keeping the back nice and straight, neutral spine, up, and then bicep curl, and then back down, and we come down, back nice and straight, up, curl, and back down. Okay, so from the side there, just bending the knees, pulling the shoulders back, back nice and straight, just bringing the bar down the front of the legs, back stays straight there, nice and neutral, coming back up to the top, and then curling, like so, down, and then back up. Now, if you start getting tired with regards to the bicep curl, then you can use a little bit of momentum, down, up, to get the bar up to that point. We'll try to start off first of all, get to one point there, a nice bicep curl, so work the arms hard, then you get tired, use a little bit of momentum to then lift the weight.